That person has committed war crimes very clearly. We had extensive proof and evidence regarding his actions in Gaza, specifically the crime of attacking civilians, attacking civilian objects, attacking hospitals, forced displacement, and other war crimes. The reason we legally target not just big fish, we also target big fish, but we also target the lowest ranking soldiers, is so that impunity for genocide, for war crimes, for crimes against humanity, for other crimes is finished. It should not be possible that somebody blows up a mosque or a hospital or a church or kills a child without any military necessity, and that that person feels totally free in traveling the world and going on holiday in Switzerland, the Netherlands, Bali, Thailand, etc. We cannot allow this type of impunity. The way in which we track or find these IOF war criminals is that we have an investigative team internally, and we have external investigators. And they're always scouring open source information. So there's no secret information. And it might be the social media posts of an individual. It might be the social media posts of a colleague of that person, the unit itself, or third parties who share things. So that person's own, let's call it Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, might be interesting, but also the handles of other people who that person knows. Maybe family members, maybe other people. Everything which is open source and everything which can be verified, because we only work with verifiable evidence. We get tips as well regarding the fact that an IOF person is somewhere in Europe. So as soon as we see someone in any of the countries in which we have our investigative teams and our legal teams, we pounce legally, we pounce on them, and we start proceedings directly. And in general, you can think of Europe, the US, South America, actually the whole world. As soon as somebody is aligned with us, they normally receive death threats. So because of that, we are very careful regarding the identity of our legal team, our research, as well as the external lawyers, unless that external lawyer chooses to look for the limelight, and then that's his or her prerogative.